Hey everyone, emily.ware here. For those who don't know me, I'm a real estate agent with Better Homes and Gardens, the Good Life Group in Omaha, Nebraska. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. I am so glad that you're here. My goal for this channel is to provide you useful information related to all things real estate. As an agent, my job is so much more than just helping you find the home of your dreams. Getting you in the door is just the beginning. On today's episode, I want to talk about 3 incredibly important but super easy to forget home maintenance items. You ready? Let's do this. Number 1, flush your water heater. Wait, what? Yep, I'm serious. If this isn't done enough, mineral sediment will build up inside the tank, causing banging, popping, loud rumbling noises as the water bubbles up through it. Eventually, the sediment layer will cause the bottom of the tank to rust out, which means you'll need a new water heater. And I'm sure you want to spend your money on something way more fun. You know what sucks? House fires. So number 2, clean out your dryer vent duct. Lint buildup in your dryer vent ductwork is one of the leading causes of house fires. That's why cleaning your dryer vent ductwork every 6 months should be at the top of your home maintenance list. Number 3, test your sump pump. You know what will ruin your day? A flooded basement. This is an easy one. Simply fill up a large bucket with water, pour it into the pit, and make sure your pump runs as expected. Stay dry, folks. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. If you enjoyed this episode, found the information useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.